Kal Kadosh, Boker Or, Mishna Yomi, we're finishing Masechet Makkot with Perek Gimel Mishnah Zayin, and then we're starting Masechet Shavuot, Perek Aleph Mishnah Aleph. Okay, so we're going to finish with Rabbi Hananya ben Akashya Omer. Rabbi Hananya ben Akashya said, Ratzah Kadosh Baruch Hu lezakot Yisrael. Kadosh Baruch Hu wanted to be mizakeh Yisrael. He wanted to give them a lot of zechuyot, and therefore lefichach yibalem to mitzvot. He gave them a lot of mitzvot. Shneimar b'zeh the pasuk, Hashem Adonai chavetz matziko yadid Torah v'yadid, which means that Kadosh Baruch Hu wanted to give them a lot of righteousness, and therefore he gave us a lot of Torah in order to multiply. And that's the essence why we have, right, such a lot of mitzvot. If you remember, we always bring down that the Rambam and Pidush Mishnayot is over here, where the Rambam says that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us so many mitzvot just to fulfill one mitzvah lishma, because with that mitzvah lishma, we are going to be zocher to olam haba. But he was marbela and Torah mitzvot, so that way after doing all the mitzvot, at least we have one that we did lishma. Fine. Perek Aleph and Mishnah Aleph and Masechet Shavuot, right? Masechet Shavuot says, Shavuot Shtaim Shem Arba. You remember this is when we were learning this, we had the two which are going to be four, just like we learned by many other Masechtot as well, right? By Shabbat and others as well. So Shavuot, whenever we're talking about the oaths, there's going to be two oaths which become four oaths, okay? So here it's going to say that, for example, I swear not to do something, I swear to do something. That's going to be two. But I swear I did not do something, I swear I did do something. So it's on the future and past, and I did do and I did not do. So for you have two, I did do something, right? And I will do something, right? Or I did not do something, right? And then you have the how do you call this? So I swear not to do something and I swear to do something. Okay, that's going to be in the future. And then you have the past, that I did not do something or I did do something. Fine. Now that we mentioned this, Yediyat Tumah, Shtaim Shenava, the same halacha applies to Yediyat Tumah. We're talking about two concepts of Tumah. So, for example, he ate from an offering, or he entered the Bet HaMikdash. Now it becomes 3 and 4, because if he forgot that the food that he was eating was actually from an offering, that it was Kodesh, or he forgot that the area, right, where he was entering was the Bet HaMikdash. So there was the two forgetfulness, right? Yediyot Tumah, which is Shtaim, which is 2, which become 4. Yetziot Shabbat. And we have the same thing with Yetziot Shabbat. Masechet Shabbat. Shtaim Shem Arba. You have 2, which become 4. Number 1 is someone standing in the public area reaches into the private area, or someone standing in the private area reaching the public area, and then you have someone standing in the private area to the public, takes an object, right, and brings it to the private area, or someone standing in the public area, right, and taking it to the private area. Marot Negaim, and the same halacha now applies to Negaim. So you have Tum'ah, you have Shevuot, you have Shabbat and Negaim. This is the last one. Marot Negaim, which are 2, which are going to be 4. Remember this tzara. So you have white as clean as wool. You have white as snow. And then you're going to have white as an eggshell and white as plaster. So these are going to be 2, which are going to become 4 as well. So again, this is always the 2 that becoming 4.